In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Downstream O2 sensor on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located underneath the vehicle towards the back of the engine bay. Let's get into it. You can see the connector right here. Just follow the wire back. There's a clip at the base. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just squeeze the clip. Pull it out. Basically, you're just doing that, squeezing that. And we'll disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab. Slide that out. I'm going to take a O2 sensor socket. This is a 7/8 or a 22 millimeter socket with a slice in it. You could always try using a wrench as well, if you can fit it in there. Break it free. And take it out. Take the O2 sensor and get it started. Looks good. Now we're going to torque this to 37 foot-pounds. Good. Connect the connector. Click it in place. And we can line this up and push the retainer down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.